Hello everybody, how's everybody doing today? I know I haven't been out here in a while doing lives. I think I just jumped on real quick here and there trying to do some trading lives. But wanted to talk to everybody about how do you do after you get knocked down, okay? And here's the thing, so everybody fails in life, right? Everybody's gonna go through it, and it's just one of those unavoidable things. Nobody likes it, but it is part of life. But so I want to kind of talk about, though, is it's not failure that is really the issue that you want to focus on. It's what you do after you fail that really is going to be the difference in whether you get to that next level or you stay where you're at. So I want to actually go ahead and bring out one of my own failures, right? So if anybody here follows me, maybe you saw the live where I was committed to losing weight and, was going to go ahead and stop drinking, and literally went so far as to pour out a bottle of liquor, right? Well, I just want to let you know I failed. I went ahead, it was a Sunday, and we were at a nice Italian restaurant, family and friends, and the bottle of wine was passed, and they had a glass there for me, and it got poured, and I was like, yeah, it's Sunday, And after that, then I was like, well, I already kind of failed, so might as well, go ahead and drink again. And at that point, the drinking was failed, so then I did the eating as well, and I didn't, I completely failed at what I was going for. And I want to go ahead and bring that up to you guys because I think it's important, Everybody wants to go ahead and act like they're perfect all the time, that we never fail. And the fact is, we do fail. But what you do after you fail is really the most important thing, and that's what I want to talk about, So I failed at that, but let me tell you, I'm also quick to forgive myself. I'm not going to sit here and because of that failure, go ahead and just beat myself up over this whole thing and go, oh, that's it. You're never going to be able to accomplish anything. You didn't do it then. You'll never be able to do it again. I've got 30 days till this wedding, till I'm getting married, and I'm excited about it, and I want to look the best I can for it. So I am back on the no drinking, no meat, no bread, just fruit and vegetables diet. I've been 2-3 days now at it, and I feel great, right? But so I still 100% believe that I am capable of doing this. And I think that's what's really important is what you do after. So here's the thing as well. As I have continued this journey to becoming a better trader, right? It really, all of the things that you learn to become a better trader really apply to every aspect of life. Patience is a huge aspect and key to being a successful trader, as well as self-control, self-discipline. All of these things are what make good traders, because as you're watching your trades go up and down and up and down, you're watching the money go up and down and up and down, and you're looking at a certain level and it looks like it's almost there, and then it starts to go down. Well, a lot of people, that's when they're like, oh, I don't want to lose out on this, and they jump in it, and it's called FOMO, fear of missing out. So you jump in, and guess what? Price goes up one more time to right where you thought. But now you end up getting knocked out of the trade because you couldn't wait. You thought you were going to lose out on that trade, and you didn't want to lose out, and so you jump in. And that happens in so many aspects of life that, we can even see what we need to do. We know what we need to do, and we get close, and then we're like, yeah, no, just right there, that's good enough. And end up getting clobbered because of it, because it isn't good enough. And let's see. So, as well, one other thing that I think has been difficult for me. So I am, just to be 100% clear, and if you can watch some of my really earlier lives, I am not by any means a social media live kind of person. This is me way out of my comfort zone. And I'm a bit of a perfectionist. So I'll sit there and I don't want to go live unless I've got really a lot to add and I'm comfortable. I almost need a script word for word in order for me to be comfortable going in front of you. And because of that, I end up, I take too much time putting these things together, or you try to become a perfectionist of one thing, and what you really end up doing is you end up not getting a lot of things done. And so I think the other thing too, is sometimes you got to punt. You got to put your schedule together, and it's not always going to be perfect. It's not always going to be the way you want it to be, but you need to just get out there and do it, right? And so, as I continue to kind of try to talk to everybody here, you're not going to see, I just need to accept and understand it's not always going to be perfect. It's very easy for me to go back and critique myself and go, that was terrible. That wasn't the way I wanted to do it. This, I could have done that. That could have been so much better, what have you. And if you really want to get things done in life, you need to quit being so critical of yourself and maybe I don't know if you struggle with any of these perfectionist things that I do, but for me, I just need to kind of push myself out there and say, hey, it's not going to be perfect. Get out there and just do it. And so that's really, kind of what I wanted to talk to everybody about. So basically the other thing too about getting knocked down, what do you do after you get knocked down? So again, everybody in life is going to get knocked down, right? But not everybody is going to jump back up, forgive themselves, and believe 100% that they have what it takes to do what they just tried doing that knocked them down. But let me tell you, that's what it takes to get to the next level. So don't ever let these past experiences affect your belief system about what you can accomplish in the future, right? We all get knocked down, but we don't all jump back up, believe in ourselves, forgive ourselves, and get back out there and do it again. But that's what it takes to get to the next level. So that's it. That's the message I wanted to get out there. For anybody interested as well, again, I'm always trying to get my message out there. Again, I'm not perfect and I'm not doing this. I hope that my messages do. I do want to reach out there and motivate others that are not interested in necessarily this opportunity that I have in trading and so forth. I do want to offer something, but I want to be clear, I am not a saint. I get out here as well to get my message out there, to build my trading team as well, and to share my experiences of what I have learned kind of in the head game form of trading. Because again, the majority of the success in being a successful trader is really in the head game. For anybody interested as well, I'll probably be getting on here again here shortly. I'm going to go ahead and try to share my screen of trade setup that I took today. Went very well. Just kind of some things I look at. Anybody else interested in learning how to trade and make money, PM me, message me. Would love to work with you. But that's all I've got for you today. So again, I hope everybody has a great day. Get out there and get it, okay? And remember, you get knocked down, jump back up, forgive yourself, and believe that you've got what it takes to do it, okay? Have a great day, everybody. Take care.